Want to know how to remove all spaces from a string in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, we use the replaceAll method. That's it. Super simple and easy. Now, first things first, we just simply write in and create a string that is text, that we name text, and we write it Java is awesome. Now, since we want to remove all spaces, we create a data type that is string and name it no spaces. Now under it, we write the name of the data type that we had created, that is the Java is awesome text, and then we follow up with replace all. And now we replace all white lines. As you can see inside this parenthesis right here, we have removed all white lines. So once it's done, you can just simply print no spaces and you should be good to go. Now you can just simply run to check the code, and there you have it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.